those things of what happened in the court, that you know that it's not allowed, that one. Because if you spread that one, that what happened in the court can create more trouble. Do not shut up your mouth. That you're the one who said the damage is already done. But why you did not do the done? Period ba? Period. Dili pa kayo pa question mark. Another one. I-recap na to. Recap ha, recap. Recap. To clear ha, to clear kay you're too much drama on your live stream today. Somebody said that.
Minsan nag-scatter din ang chismis. It's you.
Imagine ha, on the day that you go home, okay, you go home, I thought that you shut up your mouth, and me, I follow on the instruction on the agreement. Normal, some people rumors like very, what's happening? Well, it's easy to say. Why you did not say to them that, oh, I don't need to say anything, okay? I don't need trouble. But you show yourself that how great troublemaker you are. Why you not shut up your mouth and move on? There's no one knowing about what happened inside in the court. You're the only one spreading on it. So meaning to say, analyze people. What you think on that? Be good or more troublemaker? In fact, on what if some people, if you want to know what it happens, why there is a case, okay, because she say that, oh, you filed a case because I post you're naked. No, it's not that one. It's not that one. It's not the only, because the case I have for you is 2. Anti-Photo Voyeurism Act and Cyber Libel.